going on, guys? It is your boy Dap, and I just wanted to share with you a quick, really quick rundown of the NovaTech amazing platform that we are a part of. So as you can see right here on this particular screen, you're looking at a standalone building. All right. Yes, there's a lot of buildings among it, but there's one that stands out more than others. And that is a quick representation of the platform that we are talking about today called NovaTech FX, a true crypto hedge fund. Ladies and gentlemen, in this space, if you haven't been here before, let me first say this. This is the greatest wealth transfer to ever happen in mankind. All right. This is literally the digital gold rush. If you were around in the 1800s for the gold rush, which I know pretty much nobody was, at least not here in the United States, right? There was a time that the Rockefellers and the JP Morgans and all of the one percenters were able to truly establish themselves financially in this country. And guess what? The crypto world is doing that all over again, over 100 and probably 15 to 20 years later. So with that being said, guys, NovaTech, why does it stand alone? Well, simply because it's going into its 4th year. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many architects in the crypto space, so many platforms coming, but so many going, simply because they are not building from a firm foundation. Too many companies are putting profits before people. See, when you entice with extremely unfathomable returns, it only gets the people that love to make money in the casinos. See, we want true, realistic returns, returns that can truly become legacy, life-changing results for our children's children. And I can tell you right now, with the hundreds of thousands of people globally that NovaTech has been able to touch over the last 3 years, it's only going to get better. Ladies and gentlemen, we're talking about trading profits made easy, a fully automated cryptocurrency and Forex trading platform. And let me preface this by saying, when I say fully automated, I don't mean it's created and controlled by robots. All right. We're not talking about bots and robots here. We're talking about people, all right, doing the dirty work while we sit back, putting in a deposit into our own trade accounts and allowing NovaTech to do what they do in the crypto world in the US and in the crypto and Forex world outside of the US, guys. Now, an earning disclaimer, really important that we actually put this, because again, there are so many guarantees out there, guys. And let me tell you something about guarantees in the crypto and the financial space. Anybody that gives you guarantees, all right, guarantees that can truly make you dream like you've never dreamt before, they're guaranteed to disappoint you, all right, because there are none in this industry or any financial industry. The use of our information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that the company is not liable for any success, failure of business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, services reviewed or advertised. All information contained herein should be independently verified and confirmed, and we do not accept liability for any loss or damage whatsoever caused in reliance upon such information or services. So please be aware of the risks involved with any trading done in financial markets. Do not trade with money that you can't afford to part with. All right. On top of lose, trading cryptocurrency, also called digital or virtual currencies, crypto assets, altcoins, and so on, as well as Forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, to be a part of NovaTech, you must be 18 years of age or older. Now let's get to the facts. All right. The meat and the potatoes of NovaTech. NovaTech is a subsidiary of NovaPay LLC. Subsidiary simply meaning that there are umbrella, all right, and there are companies within the company. And the owners, the particular owners, which we're going to talk about in a second, own all of these companies in this crypto space, guys. As you can see here, I'm not going to go through all of it, but they are registered where they need to be registered and licensed where they need to be licensed. You see St. Vincent and the Grenadines, obviously U.S., Florida-based NovaTech Advisors and LLC. You can go to sunbiz.org, all right, if you want to learn more about that. And then, of course, Nova Trading, which happens to be in the country of Estonia. All right, I'm not going to go into the education of why 99% of companies like NovaTech, especially the MetaTrader 5 brokers and MetaTrader 4 brokers for all our traders out there, why are they licensed and registered outside of the U.S.? Well, because there's something called Dodd-Frank, Doddfrank. If you don't know it, please Google it, guys. It was during the Obama years. It was prior to that before. It simply was designed to hopefully protect retail investors, novice like you and me. But what it truly did is it put a really limit on us being able to truly earn in the Forex space, especially. And what ended up happening is most people started to register with brokers outside of the US, all right? Unregistered brokers in the US, but registered outside, regulated outside. This is why the Forex market is so huge and the crypto trading market is so huge. You just have to know where to be registered and who you can solicit and who you can't. Now, they have products and services, ladies and gentlemen, all right? The NovaTech umbrella, the subsidiary, NovaPay LLC, and everybody under it. They have companies, all right, that substantially generate profits in Bitcoin ATMs. All right, this is a revenue stream that the NovaTech platform is able to accumulate. Crypto and debit card transactions. You can actually buy Bitcoin on NovaTechFX.com. I don't personally suggest it if you happen to be like in the US or somewhere where Bitcoin is readily available, because it does come at a high premium, but there is a niche for that market and they do very well, all right, with that crypto and debit card transaction business. There's crypto and Forex trading, of course, which is probably 85 to 90% of the profits that they're able to generate. Why? We're talking about a $7 trillion a day market in the Forex market and probably another $1 to $2 trillion, depending on what crypto is doing, right, every single day. Those two combined, ladies and gentlemen, there's no more liquidity out there. All right, when you combine these two particular markets. And then Bitcoin mining and development. All right. So NovaTech has been successfully mining for over a year now. Okay. The only difference is they have not brought it to the forefront where we are able to actually individually earn from it at this particular point in time. However, they are using it, all right, for their purposes. And this is how we're able to create some really, really, really good profits. So moving on, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the owners really quickly. It's very important that you understand that we are dealing with a tried, true, and tested leadership team, guys. Our executive staff has over 40 years of combined experience. Now, it's not all in cryptocurrency, because obviously cryptocurrency has not been around for 40 years. However, guys, they have made successful companies, okay? They have helped successful companies earn millions of dollars. They've earned millions of dollars in their respective space. They have taken all of their challenges and all of their successes over the last however many years, and they have created this amazing, amazing platform called NovaTech. All right, guys, real people, real profits, real results, real company. Guys, NovaTech was established in June of 2019. All right, they are a legally registered cryptocurrency hedge fund. Now, some people say, well, where's their license in the U.S.? Guys, you don't need a license, all right, to manage cryptocurrency. When you're dealing in fiat currency in the Forex world in the U.S., that's where a license in the SEC and all that other stuff is needed. They don't do that in the U.S., all right? This is why they're able to operate with no issues over the last now going on 4 years, okay? They are a registered MetaTrader 5 broker, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, millions of dollars of liquidity. They have some of the deepest liquidity pools in the industry if you are a trader and you decide to trade on their platform. All right, some powerful stuff, guys. This was one of the check marks that said, hey, I have never been a part of a company like this that actually is a broker at the same time, guys. And I'm going to tell you, all right, it's an amazing place to be. Percentage allocation management module. This is why everyone is a part of NovaTech. They're here because they don't want to learn a skill set. They don't want to be experienced, all right, in the skill set of trading. Why? Because that's not their niche. They want NovaTech to do it. And in doing that, guys, the PAM account, which is what percentage allocation management module is, if you just say it straight out, is a form of pooled funds inside of a cryptocurrency or Forex trading account, all right? It's managed by qualified and successful traders, guys. Yes, we are not, our funds are not in the hands, well, I guess if the robot has hands, but it's not, controlled by robots, all right? Yes, there's technology involved. However, all right, it is controlled by successful traders. However, watch this. As I said before, no knowledge or experience needed, all right, to learn, all right, how to earn in this platform. At the end of a specific period, come Friday, or in our group, we call it Friday, we get to earn, all right, whatever those profits would be, all right, on that Friday or Friday. So all profits made inside of the PAM account is equally distributed amongst all investors. Okay, so it doesn't matter how much money you have in your trading account. If we only earned 1.8% for the week, we all earned 1.8%. It's just that 1.8% of $1,000,000 in someone's account is completely different than how much 1.8% of $1,000 in crypto is in another person's account. I hope that makes sense. Now, NovaTech's live market trading program, you see the highlights right there, guys. Expert advisor software. There's a small trading academy library, automated trading and updates. You can do a free demo account to experience for yourself in the real markets using fake money. If this is something that you would like to learn, and if you are a skilled trader already, you can open a live account and fund your account with whatever you want and start earning like crazy, guys. All right. So that's NovaTech when it comes to its live market trading. Now, tracking progress. Trading performances reports are posted weekly in the back office. Ladies and gentlemen, again, since June of 2019, this company has literally listed its profit and losses. Okay, now they're not going to go into every individual trade, or if they made money in the Bitcoin mining, or if they made money with the Bitcoin credit and debit transactions. They're not going to go into the specifics. What they're going to do is say, hey, here was your return for the week if there was a return. Now, what do we want to say more so about that? Let's look at the past and the track record for a second. Let's use January 21st, all right, 21, meaning 2021 to December 2021. And you tell me if this is a company that's really doing the damn thing, all right? 12 months, average ROI 14.825%. So that simply says this. If you were in NovaTech for one entire year in the year 2021, you averaged over 14.5%, ladies and gentlemen, on your crypto every single month. That's 177+% return on your money if you withdrew your crypto on a weekly basis. Let me say that again. If you withdrew your crypto on a weekly basis. Now, for a lot of you that did not withdraw your crypto because you came into this to truly create a potential crypto legacy for you and your family, ladies and gentlemen, the year 2021 was over a 400% return on your deposit. Why? Because 14.825% compounding every single month, ladies and gentlemen, yes, it's over 400%. So yes, when we talk real people, real profits, real results, real company, we're talking about NovaTech. Let's break it down even more. Just in the last 4 weeks from when this particular recording was set, all right, we're going to use the last 2 weeks, meaning May 20th and May 13th of 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, it's documented. So if you're watching this in the future, which you have no choice but to do that, you can look to see we had the worst weeks in the last 12 months, in the last year of any financial market, whether it's cryptocurrency or the forex or the trading market, guys. A lot is going on. Inflation is crazy right now. All right, there's something that I call and that I've researched called quantitative tightening, where literally the present that be the one percenters, the central banks, the people that make things move, all right, are literally squeezing the liquidity out of the market, making it where things are going to go through the roof price-wise, guys. All right, it's the opposite of quantitative easing, where they're pouring a lot of money out like they did in the beginning of COVID, where they were just printing like crazy. All of this stuff, guys, is designed, all right? It's designed intentionally, all right? So during these 2 weeks, guys, look, while all these companies were falling, a lot of people's portfolios were just completely drowning. We still were able to manage earnings somewhere around 1.38% on our profits on the 20th of May for that week. And literally during the worst week of the last 12 months, again, calculated back to this date, 0.065, guys. I'm not going to go into it right now, but we saw a lot of companies fall. All right, I can even talk about Terra Luna because that's the thing that's going to be documented in history forever when it comes to cryptocurrency. Terra Luna literally killed the market, guys. All right, $1 billion wiped away like that. People's retirements, companies, all types of things wiped away, guys. Why? This is what happens when mismanagement and you don't have the experience and you have to learn. This is a new space. All right. So dealing with someone like NovaTech, a company like NovaTech that's been doing this for at least 4 years now, only proves that they are probably here to stay. Now, why NovaTech, ladies and gentlemen? NovaTech is different for a lot of reasons. All right. And these are just some of them. This is why 99% of those companies fall while the 1%ers are still here. No expiration dates. Trade as long as you want, meaning let the company do it for as long as you want. There are no limitations, guys. No repurchase requirements. You can take and withdraw whenever you want. You can deposit whenever you want, cancel at any time. You have 100% access to your capital, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because it's real trading going on. They're not. This is not foo-foo-ness, all right? And that's my own little terminology for foolishness, all right? There's none of that going on here, guys. These people are here truly as a management company for crypto, and they're here to truly make everyone win. Why? Because if you don't win, they don't win, all right? Option to redeposit your profits on a weekly basis. There are no withdrawal limits. Let me say that one more time. There are no withdrawal limits. All right, clap it up, guys. Clap it up. Clap it up. Yeah, let's clap it up for that. That's some awesome stuff right there. All right, no earning caps. 100% of your investment is traded. Weekly profits paid every Friday, if there are profits, of course, because there are no guarantees. Right. No trading skills required. This is a global opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. If the country that you are trying to target can use cryptocurrency, NovaTech is able to provide them a source. All right. How awesome is that? And last but not least, guys, there is no recruiting required in this particular platform. Yes, they have a referral program, but everything that I'm sharing with you here, the possibilities, which are endless just from the passive side of the potential of what NovaTech can do, is really, really awesome. So with that being said, guys, here are the trading packages. It's real simple. Get in where you fit in. All right. We don't suggest that you come in. And when I say we, I'm just talking about myself and my team, which spans in the thousands. It really makes sense if you're willing to come in with at least $500, guys. And if you're going to come in any lower than that, please try to make a deposit as fast as possible to get to at least $500. And that's because, one, there is a $25 monthly maintenance fee. All right. The company has to find some way to generate some revenue for themselves above and beyond the amazing profits they're able to generate during the trading. Now, that $25, guys, is not paid from your pockets. Excuse me, it's paid from your profits. So you don't have to come out your pocket, meaning you're not giving NovaTech your debit card or your credit card. They don't want your banking information, none of that stuff, guys. They are here to prove to you, not for you to prove to them. All right, as you can see, you can fund your account with 5 different currencies. You got Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, you got USDT Tether, ERC20, the Ethereum token, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Those are the currencies that you can use to fund your account. And as you can see at the bottom, service is not available in Texas, South Carolina, Montana, Hawaii, or Alaska. For more information on those states, guys, please get back with the person that shared this with you, and they'll be able to kind of share a little more light to that. Okay. Now, VIP, shout out to all our VIP members, guys. If you are organically growing your account and you get to 25,000 to 99,999, or if you deposit 25,000 to the 99,999, you are going to be called a VIP within the NovaTech community, guys. And the VIP truly just means that, hey, you trust NovaTech, all right, to the point where they say, hey, here's a thank you back. 1% monthly cashback reward on whatever it is that they earn you in your profits on a monthly basis. So it's not 1% on your balance. It's 1% on whatever it is that they earn you. So let me give you a quick example. Let's say you got 25K in your account and you earned 3,200, 3,300, right, per month on your 25K. Just using that as an example, right? You would earn 1% on the 32 or 3,300, not on the 25,000. All right. This ain't a get rich quick scheme, guys. This is the real deal. And of course, for coming in at that or jumping or organically growing your account to the $25,000 level, you will have no monthly fees. Shout out to the President's Club members, guys. Yes, there are hundreds of us. I'm in one, I'm one of them. If you have at least 100,000 or more in your trading account, guys, they will pay you 2.5% monthly cashback rewards on whatever it is that they earn you. I'm here to tell you, it's pretty cool to get about 400, 450 every single month, just having 100,000 in your account. It's really cool, guys. All right. It's not a lot of money, But hey, who's going to turn that down? It's free money, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, they'll give you a $1,000 one-time cash bonus that comes after 30 calendar days of your account being at least 100K. And of course, the monthly fees are waived at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, dedicated support, it speaks for itself. I always tell you, learn your business, mind your business, meaning take care of your business and you won't have to use support very much. Be very careful, be very patient, and I can promise you, NovaTech is going to be really, really special for you and the people that you share it with. This has been our business opportunity. I hope you've enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.